She said.
Take your ass to bed because it's after 3. Don't you got church to go to?
I was busy trying to teach you a little bit about the gospel.
Oh, the Lord will forgive you for that. There's dolphins.
Are you recording?
God, give me an asshole. You're gonna get your ass in here and play.
What happened?
That's bullshit. Yeah.
There ain't no cows around here.
Bullshit.
There's a horse.
Oh, God. What's my ass? I got a fucking fat.
You got a what?
No.
A muley? I didn't see no muley. I saw 3 paints back there though.
What? You talking Mexican?
I'm talking Jessican.
Get in here and pick it up. I can't do it.
Pick one up. Is that why you can't? If you bend over, it's gonna be like the Play-Doh thing, you know, the toy where you're like,
Pick it up.
pick one
You're
up.
not gonna ever come over across the river. You don't pick up.
You gonna put like Border Patrol on me or something?
Damn, that stinks. Lord. I tell her.
You-
I'm telling you, I'm calling her right now.
okay.
She's just gonna cuss at you and say, leave her the fuck alone.
You go tell Wonder Granny. You call Wonder Granny, I don't care. She's gonna tell you to shut up and clean it up yourself. About the most she'll do is tell her to go to bed. She's got church in the morning.
Calling her.
Mama, your daughter won't. Tell her that she'll be like, you're grown out of my house, quit calling me.
Call her what?
That's when you say, well, you don't stop being a mama till you're 6 feet under. Isn't that what you said? You're 30 years old. Don't call me about Malto Bill.
Oh my God. I'm gonna call her just to see what she says and piss her off.
Gail. Melissa's throwing fucking moth oatmeal in my house. Well, Jesse's boo-hooing because Melissa's throwing moth oatmeal in the house.
She has to bend over and
Mama!
trap her pants to clean it.
Melissa is not picking it up.
Mama!
Mom!
Tell her to pick it up. Mom! Tell her to pick it up. Mama, that's bullshit. I'm not picking it up. Tell her to pick it up. I didn't break my
Tell her you can't call the super malto mill man
I
yet.
turned my trash can on time so that you wouldn't throw it in the damn trash can and try to make fucking 3-pointers on it.
I wasn't trying to make it in the trash can to start with.
Mom, just hang up. Mom, I'm not picking it up. I swept him off this
You're
whole
like,
damn
Mom,
floor
she's
today.
like 18 back. She's just seeing crap.
She's just like, okay.
Hold on, Mr. Trash.
Mom!
feed your little critter friends.
She wants me.
They
She
they
threw me
need-
out so I could feed the fucking mouses, and I'm not doing it.
Just go back to sleep, baby.
Mom. Mom. Gail. Tell her to pick it up or fucking hang up on me. Get the goddamn Monto meal. She picks herself the Monto.
Get the goddamn Monto.
No, but what Mom said?
She picks herself the Monto meal. She threw it on my damn living room floor. And she won't pick it up.
She doesn't know anything you're saying.
What? It's pissing me off, Mom.